Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
We're going to raise and support this 2000 Ford Focus. We're going to use our 2-post lift. You can use a jack and jack stance. So we're going to remove the drain plug. We're going to use a 13mm wrench. Loosen it up. Make sure you have a drain pan underneath to drain the oil into. Drain all the oil out. All right, I'm gonna put the drain plug back in. And then just snug it up, not too tight. You don't want to over tighten it. All right, so I'm gonna, on the back side of the engine, right here, up high is the oil filter. So I'm gonna use a strap wrench to try to get it off. Once you get it to start turn, generally you can do it with your hands. And this one's coming off fairly easily. I should be able to just twist it with my hands. Make sure you have the drain bucket underneath because the oil will spill out. Pull that down and then we can drain the filter out. So I'm going to take the new filter with a little bit of fresh oil on my finger. I'm just going to rub the gasket. This will make it easier to install and it'll make it seal better. And then when you go to remove it in the future, it'll come off a lot easier. Now I'm going to put the filter up here and start threading it on. Once I get it down, then I'm going to physically tighten it as tight as I can tighten it. Just grab it with your hand and tighten it. And that's it. All right, so I'm going to take some brake parts cleaner and clean down the area where the oil was spilling. A little bit on the pan. I can wipe it with a rag. All right, I'm going to pop the hood right here underneath. Just pull that lever to release the latch. You just push to the right, pick it up, and then put the prop rod right here. Now we're going to fill our oil. Loosen up this oil cap. Right on the oil cap should say what kind of oil it is. It says 520. All right, so now we're going to add our oil. This vehicle requires about 4 1/4 quarts of oil. So we're going to put about 4 quarts in it and then we'll check it. pull the funnel out, put the oil fill cap back on. All right, I'm gonna start it up and let it run for a little bit. You filming?
Yep.
Oh, okay. All right, we're gonna check the oil level. So take our dipstick out. I'm just gonna wipe it first. The rag, reinsert it. Pull it out, take a look. It's kind of hard to see, but it looks like it looks almost to the top. In between those two holes is where you want it. Closer to this full hole would be ideal. So we'll just put a little bit more oil in. Put the hood down.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.